Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this glow text effect on CapCut PC. So go to text and add in your default text, and I'm just going to adjust it like so. Then I'm just going to type in the word Valorant, and I'm just going to select a font, for instance this one, and I'm going to kind of select a purple from this, maybe like from this one. Then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to select low, and I'm going to select this one instead, and I'm just going to adjust the range more than the intensity, and I'm going to make the purple a little bit lighter, maybe. Actually, I'm going to make the glow a little bit darker than the actual text so you can actually see the glow. And that is it. You can add in some animations if you'd like to. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!